Supposing we have a Cartesian coordinate as shown on the boards, showing the x and y axis with a line of a unit length drawn from the origin O 0, 0 at a given angle theta, then we can use this to get the fundamental trig identity. Now let's just see the unit length is from here to there. That's the unit length. And if we have a unit length of 1 unit with an angle theta, and this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis, then we can simply say from the diagram that by Pythagoras that the hypotenuse squared, which is 1 squared, is equal to your y squared, the opposite side squared, plus the adjacent side square, which is x squared, will give us our y squared plus x squared is equal to, by rearranging, is equal to what? 1 squared. And this will give us y squared plus x squared is equal to what? 1 squared is 1. We can call this equation 1. We can call this equation 1. Then, by using the fundamental trig function, we know that sine of any angle, sine theta is equal to opposite over what? Hypotenuse. And our sine theta here from the diagram above will be equal to the opposite side of theta is y, and the hypotenuse is a unit length of 1. Our sine theta is equal to what? Y over 1, which is what? Y. We can call this equation what? 2. Likewise, our cos theta from the diagram, our cos theta is equal to cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. So our cos theta here is equal to the adjacent side of this is the place lying horizontally, the base of the angle. The adjacent is x over the hypotenuse is the unit length of 1. This will give us that our cos theta is equal to what? X. 1 over x is equal to x. Call this equation what? 3. Then substituting. When we substitute equation 2 and 3 into equation 1, we have our equation 1 is y squared plus what? X squared is equal to 1. And remember that your y is sine theta. So this will give you y is sine theta. So you can write this as sine theta, y squared all squared, plus your x is cos theta all squared, and this will be equal to 1 here. We've substituted equation 2 and 3 into equation 1. Therefore, if we expand out this will give us that our sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. This is a very important fundamental formula in trig identity. So we have to know this, that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to what? 1. That's the first equation. Thank you.